This is the black dye for your concrete surface that you receive with the material package. You'll want to apply this properly to get the best results. It doesn't take a large amount of this dye to turn the concrete black. In fact, if you put too much of this material on the concrete, it can dry the surface and make it unworkable. So you'll want to use a coffee can or some other container that's approximately a gallon size container, a little less. Have some 1/4 inch holes drilled in the lid, and then shake the material lightly across the surface. If it takes moisture from being stored in a moist environment, you may have to run it through a flour sifter. That will make it fine again and make it come out of the 1/4 inch holes at the right rate so that you don't get too much or too little on.